Hello friends, today's topic 12 stocks to buy for 2025 JM Financial Suggestions. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. As 2024 comes to an end, financial institutions and brokerage companies have started releasing their list of stocks for 2025. Nifty 50 index is likely to close this year with a positive returns. Analysts make a cautiously optimistic outlook for the Indian stock market for 2025. Axis Bank, Nippon AMC, Maruti, JM Financial picks 12 stocks to buy for 2025. JM Financials has released a list of its top 12 stock picks for 2025. The approach in picking these stocks to buy for long term is growth at a relatively reasonable price. First stock is Axis Bank. JM Financial remains positive on Axis Bank shares due to relatively lower valuations. The valuation discount is around 30% compared to ICICI Bank's valuations. Current price 1148, target price 1425, upside potential 24%. 2. Maruti Suzuki. JM Financial says that Maruti Suzuki is trading a valuation which is lesser than the 5-year average. Current price 11,283, target price 15,250, upside potential 35%. Third stock, Nippon Life India Asset Management. As per JM Financials, Nippon Life India AMC stock appears fairly valued compared to other AMC stocks. It forecasts profitability to rise as much as other AMCs and hence the valuations will increase in the coming years. Current price 789, target price 800, upside potential 1.4%. Recently the stock has already appreciated a lot, hence upside may be limited. 4. Samvardhana Motherson International. The brokerage firm believes Samvardhana Motherson International, with its global presence, wide customer base, and an expanding product portfolio, presents a multi-year growth opportunity. Current price 167, target price 210, upside potential 26%. 5. KPIT Technologies. As per the brokerage firm's estimates, KPIT Technologies will be able to deliver a 17% revenue CAGR over fiscal year 2024-27 and 22% EPS and CAGR. Although the valuation is not very cheap, the growth in business makes JM Financial give a buy rating on KPIT Technology stock. Current price 1,549, target price 2,040, upside potential 32%. Sixth stock is Z Entertainment Enterprises. JM Financials has given a buy rating on Z shares due to lower valuations currently. Current price 138, target price 200, upside potential 45%. 7. Havells India. JM Financial values Havells India at a premium based on its strong brand, distribution, in-house manufacturing. It is also opening up export opportunity. Current price 1752, target price 2031, upside potential 16%. Eighth stock is C&DLM. C&DLM is a leading electronic system design and manufacturing player. Its revenue is being positively impacted by global factors and increased offering of value-added services. JM Financials expect profit margin increase. Current price 670, target price 960, upside potential 43%. 9. Metropolis Healthcare. The stock currently trades at a slightly higher valuation than 5-year average, but JM Financials expect good growth in business. Current price 2,222. Target price 2,500. Upside potential 13%. 10th stock is Global Health. The brokerage firm expects operating profits to grow at a CAGR of 19% over fiscal year 24-27. JM Financial expects the valuations to improve because of its business growth. Current price 1129, target price 1440, upside potential 28%. 11. BHEL. JM Financial expects BHEL revenue to grow at a CAGR of 30% through fiscal year 24-27. It is a buy rating on the BHL share. Current price 254, target price 371, upside potential 46%. 12. Ahluwalia Contracts India. JM Financial factors in as EPS CAGR of 30% over fiscal year 24 to 27 due to strong revenue growth and margin expansion. Current price 1137, target price 1315, upside potential 16%. Even if you have a stable portfolio for long term, you can study these companies for short term opportunities based on technical analysis. Since JM Financial is expecting these stocks to do well in 2025, smart investors could benefit by making some short term profits. Anyway, we have been continuously telling everybody that nobody should buy just because somebody is telling. You must do your own fundamental analysis before embarking on buying them. At the end of the video, here's the question. In your long-term portfolio, which stocks are you most bullish about for the next 5 years? Type the name of the company in the comment section. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.